Google Maps is definitely one of the most used apps on my phone. I rely on it heavily while driving within the city or traveling outside it. But Google Maps is not just about looking up directions. There is a lot more that this app can do. Hey guys, this is Abhijit from Guiding Tech, and let's have a look at some of the most useful Google Maps tips and tricks which will help you use this cool app way more effectively. So let's get right to it. Let's kick things off with some AR goodness. Google Maps has an amazing AR mode for navigation that uses visual positioning services and the magic of machine learning to show your surroundings in real time. Sadly, the feature is available for local guides level 5 and above only. But if you're already a level 5 guide, you can turn it on right away. To do so, head to the app's navigation settings and turn on the AR walking navigation. Now all you need to do is point your camera at your surroundings and start walking. Now, if you've been using Google Maps for any amount of time, you would already know that it shows the traffic and estimated time of arrival automatically. But did you know you can manually set a departure and arrival time if you want to stick to a tight schedule? To set a departure or arrival time, just tap on the three-dot menu and select the Set Depart or Arrive Time option. Here, set the time when you want to start your journey or the time you want to reach your destination. And that's it. Now Maps will send you a reminder to make sure that you leave on time. Speaking of being on time, the traffic card in Maps is another nifty feature which will help you avoid congestion and stay on schedule. This feature is hidden within the information card at the bottom, and it shows peak traffic hours so that you can easily avoid the rush and get to your destination without getting stuck in a jam. The predictions are almost always accurate, and I've saved a lot of commute time thanks to it. However, jam or no jam, I always listen to music while I'm driving. And if you do the same, you would know that pausing songs or skipping to the next track could be a bit tricky, especially with Maps hogging up all the screen. Well, I've got a simple workaround. Head to the navigation settings once again, and here, turn on the Show Media Playback Controls option. And voila! You'll now have music controls right on the navigation screen. But there's a small catch. This feature only works with Google Play Music, Spotify and Apple Music. So if you're using any other music player, you'll have to stick to your old ways. For my next trick, I'll show you how you can prevent your friends from calling you every 5 minutes, asking you how much time you're going to take when you're on your way to meet them. It's kind of annoying, isn't it? Well, you can avoid that by sharing your real-time location with them. Yeah, you can do that in Google Maps. To do so, just select the location sharing feature, choose who you want to share your location with, and just hit share location. Now your friend will be able to see exactly where you are and how much time you will take to reach the destination. Now this sharing feature will also show your friend how much battery life is left on your phone, so in case your phone dies before you reach, they'll know why your location stopped updating all of a sudden. When you reach your destination and park your car, there is a good chance you might forget exactly where you left it after a couple of hours. Don't worry, Maps has you covered. To save your parking location, just tap on the blue dot and hit Save Your Parking. When you're heading back, just tap on the search bar and your parking location will automatically show up as the first suggestion. While adding your parking location, you can also add a photo or notes to it to make your car easier to find. And in case you're in a paid parking spot, you can even add a timer so that you know how much time you have before you'll need to vacate the space. Moving on, you might have noticed that Maps automatically switches to a night mode after sunset. Well, with this next trick, you will be able to enable night mode even during the day. To enable night mode at all times, just head over to navigation settings and under the color scheme option, select night. That is it. Aesthetics aside, if your phone has an AMOLED display, I'd recommend that you turn on this setting right away. Trust me, it'll help you a lot with the battery drain. Well, that wraps it up for this video. Drop a like if we helped you discover some new Google Maps tricks, and let us know what you would like to see next in the comments below. If we missed a cool Google Maps trick, then I would like to hear about them from you as well. This is Abhijit signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.